In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit project details in HoneyBook, Overview Settings 2026. Open your preferred browser and go to honeybook.com. This is the official site where you'll manage all your projects. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you're prompted for any security verification, such as a code sent to your device or email, complete that quickly to continue. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base in HoneyBook, where you can get a quick snapshot of your activity, open projects, and anything that needs your attention. It's helpful to pause for a moment and make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one brand or team. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This is where you can access everything: projects, contacts, tools, and more. For today, we're heading straight to projects. Click Projects. This opens your full list of projects. You'll see each project displayed with its title and status, and depending on your setup, you might also see dates, clients, or pipelines. If you have a lot of projects, you can quickly scan the list to find the one you need. Naming projects consistently can make this step much faster. Locate the project you want to use, then click it to open the project workspace. Inside the project, navigate to the Details area. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a tab or section labeled Details or Overview. Here's where you'll edit the key information. Under About the project, update the project name if needed. Choose something clear and recognizable, and add or refine the description to provide context for yourself and your team. Next, go to Date and Location. Set the correct time zone so your scheduling, invoices, and emails align correctly. Update the start date if it has changed and adjust availability. Marking a project as busy is useful for blocking your calendar, especially if the work spans multiple days. For location, add the exact address, a studio name, or a virtual meeting link depending on how you work. Finally, review any custom fields your account uses. These might be tailored to your process. Think internal tags, service types, or notes for teammates. So fill them out consistently. As you make edits, ensure everything reflects the latest information, since these details can flow into automations, files, and communications. When everything looks right, you're done. That's how to edit project details in HoneyBook's overview settings quickly and confidently.